you guys doing? Guess what? I love this format. I took my car out of the garage, drove it back, and I liked it so much. I told my brother, I said, you know what? I'm going to go out there and make another video. He's like, what? She don't have any makeup on, okay? I need to be putting makeup on because that's another thing I think that would make me feel better about, you know, about being a little happier because she getting a little sad like I was sharing in my other video. I'm not as happy as I like to be, okay? I'm just sharing that with everyone. Emotionally down, flat, like I am not, like little things aren't making me happy anymore. I'm just like zoned out, like everybody's like in this zone. You know, humans avoid each other like you're two different, you know, breeds of aliens. You go, ooh, you know, 6 feet, 10 feet, you know, and then some people got these cool masks that got some things coming out of the sides. It look like they have some adjustments and stuff. Ooh, like, I don't know, man. I don't know what's happening. What's happening with this? This was just like hanging. You know what? I think this was just like hanging on my head. I think I was like recording and this was just like okay, you guys. Oh my God. Are we having fun? Ooh, that does go further back. Oh, hey, this is a great way to film. So, you know where your sunglasses go on your car in the middle? That's where my cell phone is, and it fits in there perfectly. Oh, look at Sweet Peas. Look at Sweet Peas. We just put this in here real quick. I read that the crime is down except for domestic violence calls to people's homes are way up, obviously, because like whatever was happening in your life before, you know, COVID-19, whatever was happening in your life, right, with your close relationships, people that you love, people that you live with, it's just magnified when you're thrown into living with them, you know, 24/7. Okay, no, I know certain steps that if I took would make me happy, and I wanted to share those with you. Okay, I'm going to share them with you. And it's not like, you know, you or I are going to do all the steps at one time. That's not going to work. But if you just did one of them, okay, I'm talking to myself because I'm not doing one of these things. Okay, now let's go through them. Oh my God. Okay, step number 1, get up early. So you want to be happier. You want to get up early. You don't want to sleep in till like 10, 10:30, 11. Okay, I'm not really sleeping in till that late, but my brother sleeps in that late. So, but I've been sleeping in late till like maybe 9 or 10, maybe. To be up early bones. Step number 1, get up early. Now for me, if I got up at 6 a.m., I know, or even 7, you know, let's just even say 8. Number 2, when we go to my sister's, and we go like every 2 or 3 days, we go to my sister's. In the morning, we have to be there at 9:30. It's a really nice day. And I've been taking videos of going to my sister's. Another day at my sister's. No, not day, morning. I'm not sure. Look at Sweet Peas. My brother's over there working. See what's happening. Look at my sister's badass shower. Want me to turn it off?
No.
Okay. What's that?
Conditioner.
Okay. My sister's giving Blackie a bath in her shower. So sweet of my sister to do this.
Very good.
Very nice. she comes. So, yeah, going to my sister's is so much fun. Look on the side of his mouth. What are those things? Sweetie, what are those things on the side of your mouth? Sweetie! No. What are those things, you guys? Oh. He's gonna shake? Are those things still there? Hi, Bella. Hi, Bella. Let's see if those things are still there. Oh, no, they're not. They're gone. Blackie, he's such a... Can you think? Oh, Blackie. Blackie. Look at Blackie. Well, this looks so good. Is this going to be a good video, Blackie? Yeah? It's going to be a good video, huh? Yeah. And how many people are going to watch it, Blackie? Let's ask Blackie how many people are going to watch this video in a month. How many views is this video going to get in a month, Blackie? 5? 5? Yeah? Aww. Aww. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm going to see you in my next one.